Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design a pipe using a Python script in FreeCAD, okay? So I'm going to be showing you how you can design it and how you can modify the parameters of this pipe in order for you to design new parts, okay? Then save it as a step file that you can use in your project, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to show the Python console in the bottom of the user interface of FreeCAD. So you go to View, then Panels, then you click on Python console. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the Python console, and later we are going to paste the Python script in this field. Okay, so the next step will be going and clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below so that you can get this free Python script. Okay, and then you copy all this code, right click copy, then paste it here in the Python console. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a pipe, and the length of this pipe in this case is 150 millimeter, and as you can see here, we have also the pipe length is 150 millimeter. Let's say that I want to change the value of this pipe to, let's say, 200 millimeter. I'm gonna change it here, then I'm gonna click Ctrl then A, Ctrl then C, then I'm gonna come back here, close this. I'm gonna click here, then right click, then hide selection. Then I'm gonna come back to the Python console, right click, then paste, then click on this edge, then click on measure. Then as you can see, the length of the new pipe is 200 millimeter. Okay, so this is how you can use a Python script in FreeCAD, and you can change the parameters to get a new design. Okay, and now let's say that you want to save your work, okay, and use it in your future projects. So you click here, then you go File, then Export, then you choose the step file format, then you click on Save. Okay, then click on OK. Now, okay, so let's say that I want to test this step file and open it in SolidWorks, okay, or other CAD software. So I'm gonna drag and drop this step file in SolidWorks, and I'm gonna wait for a few seconds. Okay, so this is the step file of the pipe. Then you click on OK here, then you go to Evaluate, then you click on Measure, then you click here, then you click this face, then this face, and we are going to measure the distance, which is 200 millimeter. Okay, so this is how you can create a new piece using a Python script in FreeCAD and use this new design in your future projects. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer channel. Thanks for watching.